Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2018 Audi Q3 S-Line edition. Now this is the 1.4 TFSi engine, so 1400cc, super fuel efficient, very frugal, great to drive, lots of get up and go, and I'm going to show you around the car and I'm going to show you the features, I'm going to show how nice the car, the condition, etc. And then yeah, so let's start, let's have a look at it. So it's an Ibis White car, it's a facelift model. So what do we mean by that? Well, it's got the new grille on it, it's got the new bumper and the new headlamps. So this is the fresh front that came out, obviously right the way through from 2018. Lovely low mileage, this has just done over 20,000 miles, sitting on the superb 18-inch S-Line alloy wheels. Now they're all in great order. You can tell the person who owned this car has really looked after it. The wheels are very nice indeed, no curb markings, the paintwork and everything is in exceptional order. Looking around the front bumper we can see there's very minimal chips. Obviously it's had a very light and easy life, having only done 20,000 miles in 4 years. But as I say, the grille is piano black and then we get the silver detailing around it on the new models. Down the sides of the vehicle, the passenger side is in superb order, free from any trolley dent or mark. Again, the wheels, I'm going to show you all the wheels so you can appreciate the care that this vehicle's had. Again, we're on a Bridgestone tyre around this vehicle. We've got the privacy glass and then the aluminium detailing and aluminium roof rails, colour-coded door handles. All the bodywork on the S-Line edition is colour-coded, so the wheel arches, the side sills, everything is colour-coded. As we come round to the rear, we get the twin tailpipes and the rear diffuser, again all nicely colour-coded on the S-Line edition. We got the benefit of an electric tailgate, so if you do have luggage you can just pop that up, rear load blind, and then we get this lovely spacious luggage area. And then underneath the boot floor we've got the storage facility at the side of the space saving spare wheel. Nice to see a spare wheel in there these days. Lots of these modern cars now are deleted without a spare wheel and it becomes a factory option if you can get it. Looking down the driver's side, again that is free from parking dent or mark. The wheels again is in superb order. We will remove the wheels in pre-delivery inspection, wash them inside out, detail the calipers and then the brake discs. And that again is riding on Bridgestone. So can confirm with you guys that this is riding on 4 Bridgestone tyres as well. So again that gives an idea of the type of person that owned the vehicle. So we've got the 2 keys with this car. We've got the full book pack set. We've got a complement of Audi service history with it also. A really top car indeed. S-Line cars are lovely inside, so when we take a look now we can see we've got a mixture of aluminium, leather, cloth, very well and nicely detailed. We've got power folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, we've got the S-Line embossed kick plates, and then the seat itself is part leather, part cloth. That is then embossed again with the S-Line detailing. White stitches in lovely contrast to that of the vehicle. Aluminium on the centre console then runs through up the centre console onto the Audi Multi-Media and then follows through onto the dashboard and then on the door cards as well. Passenger seat is in good as condition, if not better than the driver. I can tell that nobody smoked in this car. I don't smoke, and I can also tell that the last owner doesn't smoke. This car still has that new car fresh smell feel when you know somebody's very maintained it well and they're very clean, because it just does not have any odour of anything. It still has that new scent. 20,666 miles as we do the video. So the S-Line edition has automatic headlamps, it has multifunction steering wheel, we've got cruise control, we've got the leather stitch, the contrast there with the nice stitch. We've got this S-Line sports steering wheel. This particular model has the satellite navigation. We do have Bluetooth phone, we have Bluetooth streaming, we have multimedia information, very nice traffic information. That'll bring the car up so we can just run round, head up this sort of round we go, and telephones there, gives it time to think. Media player, so we have got the SD, we've got the USB, we've got CD player as well. We've got Audi Drive Select, so we can have it in comfort. This is a nice feature. We can have it in efficiency, so I generally drive them in comfort because that's a nice, easy driving car then. Air conditioning is ice cold. I've had it on. It's lovely, lovely cold. Parking sensors, and then when we do select reverse gear, we've got the parking aid both on the screen as well as the beepers. If in the evening and this is in your way, you can just push that down out of the way so it doesn't obscure the driving position. In the centre armrest, we've then got the further charging facility there if you buy the Audi charging medium. 6-speed manual transmission, very nice silky smooth gearbox indeed to drive. But all in all, I would suggest that this is arguably one of the best on the market at the moment, having only done such a super low mileage, complemented with everything. It's a lovely, lovely car. When you take a look in the rear, you can see that the seats have had minimal wear whatsoever. They even look as new. They're very, very fresh again. Contrast white stitch, Isofix functionality. We've got the 12-volt charging point in the rear, and then we've got air vents as well to keep you nice and cool, as well as having the privacy glass. So yes, if you're looking for a car like this, why not reserve this with a £250 fully refundable deposit here at Wigan, and we will prepare the car for you to the highest of standards. It'll go through our workshops and have all the necessary 128-point pre-delivery inspection, so that when you do arrive in Wigan, you can drive away in the same day. That's the method, and it's very, very simple, very easy, very enjoyable, and fully secure. If after you've drove the car, you've inspected it, and it's exactly what you want, you just do a bank payment with your banking app on your mobile phone, or you do the finance with us, or if not, you take your £250 deposit and go and view another one. So have a look on our social media. You'll see lots of customers picking cars up from all over the country. Have a look at our reviews. You'll see we're a 5-star dealer on Auto Trader. Have a look at our Facebook pages, our Instagram, where all the information you need furthermore there. So why not come and buy off a 40-year-old family business here in Wigan. I'm Graham. There's Dominic and Lee on sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way. Got a part exchange, we'll give you a price there and then over the phone. If we need any more information, you can just send us some images, etc. as requested. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.